Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to study with a study guide. Many students find study guides incredibly helpful, but knowing how to use them effectively is key to maximizing your learning. First, take a moment to understand the guide's purpose and what it aims to cover. Then, gather all your related materials such as class notes and textbooks so everything is at your fingertips. Finally, quickly review the guide's overall structure to see the main topics you will be focusing on. Now, let's talk about active engagement. Don't just passively read your study guide. Instead, try to answer the questions or recall information without looking at your notes first. This helps you pinpoint exactly where your understanding is strong and where it needs improvement. For those tricky concepts, create flashcards. You might find that even just 5 or 10 flashcards can make a significant difference in solidifying your memory. Dedicate at least 15 minutes to reviewing these difficult points. To truly deepen your understanding, try explaining concepts aloud as if you are teaching someone else. This method, often called the Feynman technique, reveals gaps in your knowledge. Next, actively work through any practice problems or scenarios the guide offers. Don't just read the solutions. Consider collaborating with a study partner for about 30 minutes to discuss and clarify topics. Aim for at least 2 comprehensive practice sessions before your actual assessment to build confidence and recall. Finally, it's time to review and refine your knowledge. Use the study guide as a self-assessment tool, regularly testing yourself on its content. Focus your efforts on the sections that you initially found most challenging, perhaps spending 1/4 of your review time there. Summarize key information in your own words. This active recall significantly boosts retention. Before your assessment, allocate 20 to 30 minutes for a final, quick review session to refresh your memory and boost your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.